Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71 in a black exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black grille insert with black and gray trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your red towing hooks. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior: you will have turn signal indicators, as well as blind spot monitoring. You will also have proximity locks, as well as running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black leather, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 11 and 32 seconds for the left front and right front. For your left rear and right rear, you will have 12 and 32 seconds. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 14 and 32 seconds. And your rear pads will be 13 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a third row here in the back. On the back of the center console, you will have two cup holders, as well as your rear climate control options. You will also have heated seats, as well as two USB plug-ins, and you will also have a 110 volt plug-in. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. You will have your extra floor mats in here. You will also have seat adjustments here that are powered to lay the seats up and down. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle. It will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice this vehicle will come with just over 46,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your parking brake, as well as your lane assist, your parking sensors, your automatic start-stop, your traction control. You will also have your four-wheel drive options, as well as your headlight options and your dash brightness. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control, as well as your heated steering wheel. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you'll have your talking options, as well as your dashboard options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. As I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your heated seats. You will also have a storage area here with a 12 volt plug-in and two USB plug-ins. You will have two cup holders and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as your sunroof options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 5.3L V8F OHV16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have a couple stone chips. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple scratches as well as a couple chips. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have a couple chips as well as a couple scratches. Here behind the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple scratches. Here on the back bumper, you will have a couple chips. Here on the front driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71 in a black exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.